welcome back to the channel, guys. So today it is a little cold outside. It's about 38 degrees here in Minnesota, and my heater on the front side of the truck decided not to blow heat. It's blowing cold air, but in my bunk it is blowing hot air. So what we're gonna do is go up by the firewall outside of the truck, under the hood, and there is a little box, and that box has like a knob inside of it that like controls the cold and hot air to open and close like the vent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that off and move the little knob on the semi to one side or the other to keep it on the hot side for now, until I get to a dealership to buy that little box to replace it. That way I can control cold and hot air from inside the cab. So let's go outside and do that right now. I'll shut the truck off. Pop the hood open already. There's this knob right here. Let me grab my light. Set this up. I just burned myself. Alright, so this box right here is the one I am talking about. Alright, so this box right here plugs into this. I actually unplugged this and it's starting to blow hot air inside the cab. So what I'm gonna do is take that off. Perfect. This one fits. I actually had this same problem on the other semi I was using, guys, the 2017 Peterbilt 579. It was doing the exact same thing, but it was doing it literally when it was like 0 degrees outside. It was super cold, and this box on that semi is actually inside of the dash, so you have to like take the dash apart, which was a pain. And it's kind of far down inside the dash, so it's pretty uncomfortable to get at. The other one looks like this one has 3 screws in it. Just careful not to, if you have the semi on, not to burn your hand, because these coolant lines are going to be warm. There we go. There it is. So this right here, guys, is what I'm talking about. So you get your power right here, and then this thing, when you move the inside, when you move the knob on the inside of the truck, the inside of this rotates to cold or hot. So this is what we're gonna need to get replaced. But for now, you see that little nipple right there, that white nipple, we're gonna turn it. All right, so I tried moving that little nipple, that white tab thing, and it seemed pretty hard. It wasn't moving at all. But what I did, I took the box out, unplugged it, I put the box back on, plugged it in again, and it's blowing hot air now. So we're just gonna leave it that way until I get to a Kenworth to buy that other new box. Alright guys, got the essentials. I just unloaded my load and now I'm gonna go pick up my other one. We're gonna be heading over to it's like near Green Bay, Wisconsin. On the road, guys. She's really dirty, guys, but she's looking good in the dock. I need to go get a wash. I wonder where there's a good wash around the Madison, Wisconsin area besides Blue Beacon, guys. Besides that, we don't want that. We want a good wash. Ain't that right, Rolly? Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Alright guys, so we're able to make it a Peterbilt, and we got the actual Packard part, the HVAC actuator. Here's the old one, so it's garbage. And we got a gasket and a 4-inch clamp for the turbo, because the one that I have on currently, I don't know, I think the one that I have on currently, I think the gasket wore out already, and there's not enough pressure on it. So we are going to have to put this one on and then keep that other one, which is this one right here. Keep this one as a spare. See how close it is right there? It's like they're touching each other right there. It's supposed to be a little separated, like this, and basically like this. This one has a little bit more give. Alright guys, so that little white tab right there, that's going to determine whether you want it cold inside your cab or hot. So that right now is on the hot side, so I'm gonna grab these pliers and turn it to the middle. As you can see, this silver piece is like neutral basically, so we're gonna put it in the middle. That way I can put that on the way it should be. So let's see. Should be good right there. Alright, now let's try and mount this thing. There we go. Slid right in, just like butter. Put in our screws. Oh, I gotta grab my screwdriver. It's this style of screw. See that? there's 3 of these screws, guys. There's one right down here. There's one right over here on the left side and one on the right side. Put some electrical grease on this thing. But for now, just do it like that. Alright, so now we're good to go with that part. So now we can have heat or AC in the semi. Now what I'm going to do is use a 7/16. I'm going to take off this clamp right here. Problem that I'm gonna have here, guys, I don't even have to take it all. You have to take off the nut entirely, guys. I'm so stupid. Trying to do a million things at once, and sometimes you just don't pay attention the way you should. Alright, guys, so we're gonna take this one off. Oh, it did come out. Came out like nothing. There's, I guess, 2 different sizes of these clamps for right here. There's one that is a bit narrower than this one and a thicker one than this one. Actually, there's this one and then there's a thicker one, he said. The thicker one has a gasket outside, and this one looks to be about the same. Let's see. Compare them. Yep, they're the same. Exact same. Alright, so we're good. Does go right here. So now let's put this one on. Just like that. All right, so you got to take out the nut completely out, guys, so you can get this pipe on my left side, that down pipe, to sit right inside of this gasket. I mean, right inside of this clamp, otherwise it won't, and you will struggle. And there we go. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That's it. Yeah, right now, just by like a centimeter to this pipe right here was not wanting to sit inside of this clamp. So I had to take that nut out for it to sit properly. So let's put the little gasket there and start wrenching it down.
Continue on West Freestad Road for 3/4 of a mile.
All right, Rolly, come on, let's go bathroom. Come on. taking a leak. Guys, look at him. He's so cute. Hey, 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 hey. Calm down. Hey, Rolly. Come here. Look at his eyes, guys. Look at him. Look how beautiful he is. So beautiful. You silly. Oh, you silly boy. Oh, yeah, you silly boy. Yeah, you silly boy. You're getting dirty, Rolly. You're getting so dirty. Just got done picking up our ice cream, guys. We're locked and loaded. Negative 20 degrees in the trailer, and we are rolling out back home. Got a 5-hour of a drive ahead of us. Let's hit it, guys. Look at my baby. Look how cute he looks. Such a good boy. Yeah, you're such a good boy. Say hi to the fans. Say hi, everybody.